Adding a Juicer feed to Drupal used to mean a developer, custom modules, and a deploy. Now there's an official Juicer module for Drupal 10 and 11. One install, one block, done. Grab the module from Drupal.org with a single composer command. Then enable it with Drush. In your admin, head to Structure, Block Layout, and choose any region of your site. Search for Juicer Social Feed and drop the block in. No extra modules, no twig overrides. Paste your Juicer Feed Slug, that's the name, straight from your feed URL. Optionally, set a title. Pick the heading level, cap the post count, or filter to a single network. Save the block, and your feed renders on the page with the exact look you designed in the Juicer dashboard. Set it up once, stay live forever. Try it with Juicer.